Hello, you guys. I had just got off work and hubby's been back here. I didn't know what he was doing, but he surprised me. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? You see my lights inside of my greenhouse, you guys. More to come soon, I'm pretty sure. We're going to work on maybe a little bit of a lighting to go inside to keep my plants a little bit warmer. It's been really cold. It hasn't been doing too well for my cucumbers and my other little plants that I had. They're basically gone, but we're going to work on that. But look at that. Come inside the chalet. Come inside my chalet. Look what he did, you guys. Isn't that cute? Look at the lighting. I can see now, you guys, because when I sometimes get off work, it'd be dark and, you know, and I'd be like, oh my goodness, I have to go back there. But look, you guys, I have an electric lighting system out here. Isn't that cool? And I can see what I'm doing with my plants. Yes, look at that. Isn't that nice? Oh my goodness. And then look over here. So this is nice. Let's step on inside and let's see how it's done. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful, you guys. You guys don't understand the struggle that we've gone through for this greenhouse, but my husband has been the glue to everything. Look at this, and I love it. So here's my shelving here that he bought me last week. Set that up so now I can kind of maneuver and get everything situated. I had everything in here that was doing very well, but I needed more room because, you know, the pots are getting bigger, the plants were getting bigger, and I just wanted to make sure, you know, that I had the room because my bench was getting full, as you see down all the way down here. But yes, these are the collard greens that were grown outdoors. And here is the collard greens that grew inside the house under the arrow garden, jump started, and I brought it out here. And look at those leaves, aren't they beautiful? Yes, look at that, you guys. And then here's my poor little green beans. I don't know what's going on with them, but I have more green beans I'm going to be planting. I'm going to wait about another month or so before I do those because it's too cold right now. And here are the Brussels sprouts. Look at those, they're doing very nicely. Those are my poor cucumbers, my poor babies. They still have a little bit of green life left in there, so I'm going to leave them alone. But yeah, they just, my little cucumbers. Okay, here's my other bell peppers. Look at those. Okay, it looked like something was a little funky going on with that one laying there, but that's okay. We're going to leave it alone. We're going to leave it alone. I gave it more water today. These are gone now, I think. But I'm going to hold on to those. We never know. Here are my onions still. Gram teas, greens, right there, collard greens. Wasn't that many of those, but we have those. And then we have my herbs here. That was the lettuce that was still holding on. It's wilted as well. So, you know, I think it is probably too warm in the daytime. I'm not sure. We're trying to still figure it out. I gave it some plant food last week, and it started doing something different. You know what I mean? Because look at my cilantro. See? It's getting the yellow leaves. That means it's too much water, possibly, or food. I don't know. We're going to find out. Here's my basil, and here's my yams here, still doing the same thing, potted yams. So you guys just stay tuned, okay? We're going to be maneuvering a lot over here in my little section. I am so proud I can come out here if I want to and read a nice quiet book. My little room for now. But yes, I love it. Thank you, Roderick. I love you for everything you have done for me and this greenhouse. I am just loving it. And as you see, it's been raining outside, you guys. See that? So it's been nice and solid and dry in here. All right. Stay tuned, you guys.